guys, it's time for a mystery box and a brand new Candy Apple Red Cutie. These are limited, but they're not going to be available until January 21st. If you're watching this as soon as we release it, that's tomorrow. So it's not available yet. So go ahead, keep watching the video. If you're watching this video on the replay and it's already sold out, because it will sell out in only a few hours, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and make sure you join my email link. I'll put a link in the description of the video so you can join my email so you get notified when there's a new cutie available. And all my free classes and my tutorials and my fun videos. Here's a picture of everything that's in the box. There's 3 rolls of iron-on, and this is red. This is glitter lipstick iron-on. It's the same color as my hair. And a red glitter iron-on. We have the Wildflower collection. This is patterned iron-on. It has 3 different patterns, and they're 12 by 17 inches each. Patterned premium vinyl. These are really pretty. I don't know if I have these. These are Gray Blush Sampler by Natalie Milan. Premium outdoor vinyl in pink. It does not fade. Removable vinyl in lipstick. Sugarberry Sampler, removable premium vinyl. You get 3 sheets and 12 by 24. And then you get the premium mosaic sampler. This is the unicorn sampler. You get 3 colors. Okay, we might have to open this one to see what we get. So you do get 1 solid gray piece, or silver. It's really pretty. And then you also get this color. So pretty. And these have 2 layers on here to transfer, so for weeding purposes it's so easy to weed. And this color is more of a bluish color. Isn't that pretty? And these are permanent. These have never been in a mystery box. So make sure you pay attention. You can click the link below in the description. This mystery box is called All You Need Is Love. If you see more than 1 mystery box there, this box is called All You Need Is Love. So it will be that one. It's a Valentine mystery box with a gorgeous bright red, Candy Apple Red is the name, Cricut Cutie. If you're new to Cricut, mystery boxes are not a subscription. The mystery boxes are, you buy one as you see them posted. Sometimes there's 1 a month, sometimes there's 2, sometimes there's 4 a month. I always share a video to show you what's in it. So if you're not subscribed, click subscribe and click that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you around in my Facebook groups, Cricut Design Space with Melody Lane, Cricut Joy Projects with Melody Lane, Crafting with Melody Lane and Friends. There's lots more. You can look in the description for my groups. This box is available in Canada, and you do have to have Cricut Access in order to purchase this box. If you have premium access, you get 20% off. No codes will work on this box, but you do get your access discount. All right, guys, I'll see ya. Bye.